Greetings, Slackers. September Man here, and it is July the 25th, 2017. I'm over here on Cron out of Houston, Texas, with an article I want to share with you. And this is Houston Man Must Pay Child Support for Kid That's Not His by Fernando Alfonso III. And it goes on to say here that a Houston man is on the hook for $65,000 in child support for a child that's not his. Gabriel Cornejo, 45, took a DNA test proving a child his ex-girlfriend had 16 years ago was not his. The test was too late. In 2003, a child support court in Houston ruled that Cornejo owed his ex-girlfriend child support because she claims there was no way he wasn't the father. At the crux of why Cornejo must pay up is Texas Family Code Chapter 161, which states even if you're not the biological father, you still owe child support that accrued before the DNA test proves you're not the father, Cornejo's lawyer Cheryl Coleman told Cron.com. Quote, I've researched the records and found that there is an issue with the service where they served him back in 2002, Coleman said. There are some anomalies with how this case handled by the Attorney General's office. He was never served with those documents in 2002 when the actual paternity petition was filed against him. In further support of why Cornejo is on the line for the child support is a claim from the ex-girlfriend that the child support started coming out from Cornejo's paycheck without his objection. There were 3 garnishments of $31 each when he worked at a dealership. He's never gotten a letter from the state of Texas, Coleman said. At issue is he's still not the father. Nobody is disputing that. The mother is not disputing that. Cornejo is now married and has 3 children. A request for comment has been placed with the lawyer representing the ex-girlfriend. Now, this is messed up because we can all agree here that laws are meant to be upheld and they're meant to work, but this is an example of a law that has basically gone corrupt. If the man biologically is not linked to the child, whatever judgment was put in place should automatically be turned over or overturned rather, because he's not the father. And it's stupid to make somebody responsible for something that they did not cause and is not responsible for. You know, this is angering. And there's a lot of men out here who chances are years ago, they had to pay for a child. Why? Because a woman says, well, he's the father. I know he's the father. And they went to court and they got his check garnished. And there wasn't really a whole lot of support for men or legal recourse to fight such a judgment. But now that we have DNA establishing paternity, men can come down, they can take a paternity test, and they can clear up that, no, I am in fact not the father, which indicates that there's been some tomfoolery going on here. And more women need to be responsible about their sexual activity and about childbearing responsibilities, because it's a shame that you would hold a man liable for something that he did not do, and that's wrong. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you a man who's had to deal with child paternity tests, going through the whole legal and court system? Have you been unjustly had your wages garnished? Ladies, be honest. Have you lied and told the court that, you know, someone is responsible for being the baby's father that really was not? You can put that down in the comment section below. Leave it anonymous. It doesn't really matter, but let's talk about that. Anyways, that's going to do it for this article and this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Did you enjoy this video and find it informative? Subscribe to the Slackers Method and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to receive all the latest notifications for when I upload new videos.